What's up, guys? Good morning. It's 10:41 a.m. It's Saturday today, September 21, 2024. Today we're headed to SMDC Lights Madison Mall to assist our friend with her cosplay event. The weather for today: light showers of rain. Some roads are wet, some are dry. Traffic is kind of bad, but manageable. Always manageable. That's the way it is. Okay. Oh wow. Didn't know maggo-go yung right side, so I went with it. Yep. Sorry. Yep. Today I'm wearing my HJC beltless helmet. Huge shout out to HJC for sponsoring me. Thank you so much. So I've been using this helmet for quite some time now, and I haven't really made a review video of it. Life's been busy, you know. Oh wow. Lots of personal challenges that took me quite some time to overcome. It is what it is, you know. But I'll get back on my feet soon. Shouting out all of the people out there who's having their own challenges today. Whatever that is. I hope you find your peace. Like how I found mine. Does that make sense? I don't know. I am not a TED Talk person, you know. I might say the wrong words. Oh wow. But I genuinely do hope you guys find your peace and happiness, you know. That's what we all want, right? True happiness. Yep. P-U-P. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Okay. Camera, please don't die on me again. Please. Keeps turning off. Really, bro? I hope that the traffic is not that bad. I hope that the road is not that slippery and wet. Woohoo! Can I do this? Oh yeah, I can. Oh wow. Can I do this? Can I do this? How about this? How about this one? I turn right here. Thank you. Oh wow. Oh, there's a bike lane here? Okay. Ah ha ha. Ah ha ha ha. It's time to track lacrosse. Using my Scream Magnum 20 with 28C tires. That was short. Yep, yep. Hey, hey. Oh, come on. What is this chaos? Okay. Let's work on this one. Okay. Slowly but surely we go. I hate this painted bike lane, you know? It's slippery. Yep, yep, yep. Oh wow. Dude, why did you? Oh wow. Woohoo. Woohoo. Let's find our space here, huh? Careful. Yeah. Sorry, I have no space here. Up. Here. We go back. Okay. Ah, I see now. The car was blocking the bike lane. Hey! Hey, hey, hey! Sorry about that. I had to shout. Or he will hit me. Or they. Why do I always assume their pronouns, huh? Yep, 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 yep. I should have shouted, hee hee. It'll work better. Oh God! What is happening? Thank you! Yep! Yep! Okay. There's like a sign there. Oh, okay. I just can't stop. Oh, oh. There's a car entering. Wow! It's free! My prayers have been answered by the gods. Woohoo! Come on! Come on, come on. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Good thing the video is still running. That's good news. And I am late. The meetup is 11 a.m. It's 10:50 now. I was late because number one, the rain. When I was about to leave, it rained super hard. Now I was like, oh man, should I change bag and bring my rain kit? And then suddenly it stopped. So what the heck, you know? Phew. Yep. Wee-hee. Woo-hoo. Wah-ha. So many things happening right now. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Manila traffic. Oh, whoa! What the heck? What is that explosion, huh?
I don't know.
You gotta be kidding me! Let's go! Speed, fast, power, agility. Whee! What? It's cold. That's why I'm sniffing. Or what do you call it? Not sniffing. What's the English term? In Tagalog, it's singhot. Singhot ka na, singhot? Singa mo nga yan. Thing is, I can't. "67 seconds? Yep. That is long, so we cheated. Cheated. No one wants to be cheated. Let's go. Woo. Yep. There was a truck. I shouted at the truck. It stopped. It worked. Ngayon, ating tikang panahon. Whee! That was wrong, guys. Don't you ever do. Oh, what the? I just wasted my time there. Wee-hee-hee. Uphill, girl. We were riding down an uphill road. It sounds wrong. Scratch that. Wee-hee. No. Ah. Oh. Uphill. Yes. This is uphill. 22. 21. 20. And I'm running out of breath. And I'm still talking. What am I doing? Okay, we're good now. It is downhill again. Whee! Oh. Oh. Oh, I didn't know you can use that. Oh. Really? This is the lane for the motorcycles now? Ooh, interesting. I wonder what will happen if I slow down and block all of the motorcycles behind me. I wonder how would they feel about it. I wonder. I'm gonna pretend that I am suffering in this uphill right now. Just like what I'm doing. Oh God, the uphill is so high. It's so hard. I'm running out of breath. Oh. They're not even hearing me. This is just me running scenarios in my head and talking to myself and talking to you viewers. Really, you really have to block my way, huh? Yep, you're close. You're closing in. You're closing in. I have 3 minutes left before I'm late. Yep. Oh, this is a blind spot. I cannot. Yeah, I can't. Come on. Yep, that would be hard for you to go up, my brother or sister or whatever. Just gonna turn right. Look at that. It says there, no parking in the bike lane. Ah, really? This is a blind spot of a truck. I don't want to get crushed there, so I go to the left side. Hey, they all stop. Okay, no person. Be mindful of that, you know. When there's a crossing and all the cars are stopping, you should check too. Because there might be people crossing that you don't see. Always be mindful of that. Yep, yep. Like this one. See how I cannot see the view of what's in front of that orange car on my left. That's a blind spot right there. And I'm turning left. So I'm gonna signal my left. Take the left lane, go in here. I don't care about you, bus. You're still far away. So I'm gonna go in safely with, while accounting for my safety. And this guy is blocking my way, so I'm gonna get his lane because that's my lane. And then I go in. And then I continue riding slowly because this is a slow road, yeah. And I have no lane left, so I'm switch again to the middle because there's a truck in the bike lane, and I slow down again because the car in front of me is slowing down. And then what? Check behind. There's nothing there, so I take the right lane, go forward again. Yep. This guy doesn't hear me, so he took my lane. And just gonna ignore that, continue riding. Check the right lane, it's free, so you get in. Hello. Careful here, because there are a lot of blind spots on my left. I cannot see what's what in the front of the car. There might be people crossing randomly. Yep, that's a thing here in the Philippines. So you have to be very careful. Okay, I see now the green light. It's 13 seconds left. I won't chase it. It's not worth it. I'm gonna destroy my knees. We slow down here. Just take our time. Yep. Okay. And then stop here. Oh, he's gonna turn right? Okay. Are you gonna take it? No. Okay, it's my lane now. Okay. I should be stopping there, but I will not, because in just a few seconds I can cross this. Remember the gray area? Yep, we're gonna do a gray area right now. Let's go! $18 seconds, 18. Okay, wow, he blocked it. Thank you, good sir. And now, we open Google Maps. Okay, let's go. Kumaliwa. We're so close right now, so we're gonna turn right here. Nay, what the heck are you doing? Hindi kit. Ah, that's not a crossing line.
Turn right onto Mayflower Street.
Okay, turn right into Mayflower Street. Are you gonna go straight or what? Okay. Mayflower Street. The road is wet here. Next one. What? I turned right, you.
In 200 meters, turn right onto Sheridan.
Google Maps.
In 500 meters, turn right onto Reliance Street.
Reliance Street and then go left to Pines. Okay. Reliance. Where's the Reliance? Reliance Street. Ah. Oh, I remember this place. There's a lot of food hubs here. Yeah, it still is. Food truck. Reliance Street. I see no signs of Reliance Street. William Street. Oh, okay. The street after this is the Reliance Street. What is that number up there? 59.8. What is that? Hee. Okay, go right here, then left to Pines.
Take the next right onto Reliance Street, then turn left onto Pines.
Okay. Turn left to Pines.
Turn left onto Pines.
Okay, after that what?
In 200 meters, turn right after Cityland, on the right onto Union.
Turn left, then right to Union, then right to Madison. Oh, I remember Madison. That's a character from, what, Spider-Man, I think? No. I think yes. No, Doctor Strange. Yeah. Turn left here.
Turn right after Cityland, on the right, onto Union, then turn right onto Madison.
Okay, oh, okay. This is the downhill, I guess? Yeah, I quite remember this place. Quite. What is this? Look at that. What is that? Design. My God.
Take the next right onto Madison, then your destination will be on the left.
Okay, got you. Towards Makati. Turn right here. And then left. Wrong way. Is this it? I think this is it, right? Oh, I saw the...
Your destination is on the left.
Okay, I see the bike parking now. Okay, we lock our bike here. Paragaboom! We go left here. I should have. No, it's the wrong way. We should follow the rules as much as we can. And it sucks to lock my bike outside because it's raining. And yeah, it's raining. I don't have a cover. I don't have one. Sir, paano pag bike? Kailangan pa ng ticket? Or hindi na po kailangan? Okay. I guess they don't need. I just back it then. Okay. Is there another bike? Tanong natin si Kuya. Let's lock it here then. I am super late. Goddamn. I am sorry, my friend. I'll be there as fast as I can. Okay, and then the other one. Here we go. Whew. This sucks. It's raining and my bike is outside. They don't have any parking for bicycles inside. That sucks. That really sucks. I do hope they make you know, bike parkings for bicycle. No, bike lol. Bike parkings safer, you know. Because this is the outside world. Okay, now let's take a picture. First, the whole bike. And then the lock. Oh, it's in 0.6. Okay, now we go inside. Yeah. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching and for the comments, for the support. You guys are awesome. Huge shout out to our rad crew members right here. I'll see you on the road next time. Peace out. Ride safe always. Bye.